Hey, what is going on there YouTube? This is Robert and today I am bringing you to an unboxing for like a summer streetwear type of thing. Now I've been saving some pieces up, which is just there, for the last couple of weeks. Well, about 4 or 5 weeks actually. I've been holding on to them and keeping quite a couple of them. The reason for this is just because I'm literally going to have like 3 unboxings over the next like 3 or 4 weeks, just before the next season sort of comes into play. And yeah, we're going to have like a summer tees one, a Vans one, and then that's pretty much it at the end of the day. But yeah, I've saved up like 7 pieces-ish here for this, so that we have a decent unboxing, but still not like an extremely long sort of type of video, but it's still going to have enough variety in it, from tees to hats to everything like that. So yeah, let's just get straight into this. As always, let me know down below whether you've picked anything up recently or whether your last week's order from Supreme has arrived. And if it has, what did you cop? You know, what size, what colorway, and are you going to be stocking, rocking, or reselling it? A couple of these pieces are probably going to be resold at some point in time. One piece was going to be resold, but now it's a brick, so yeah, it happens. Let's just get straight into this. Okay, so obviously, as you can see, we've got a lot of pieces at the end of the day. Obviously, normally I unbox like 2 or 3 things. Sometimes I save up to like 4 or 5. But we never normally have like a massive amount. The last time I think I unboxed a ton would have either been a couple months ago or like last year with my brother, where we had like 7 or 8 things. So I'm gonna go like right to left, until we're through all of them. Actually, we've got 6 things, not 7. Yeah, great maths. So the first piece we're going to be starting off with comes from a brand called FaZe, or FaZe London. Not F-A-Z-E, but different to that, and I'm going to be throwing something over the screen that I made because why not? So basically, they're releasing a tee that was going to be the Jaws like poster, basically, just with their name on, and the money would go to a charity. So personally, I thought that that was just a pretty cool concept, and I wanted to pick one up. So yeah, let's open it up in the end, if I can. And yeah, these were made to like order or made to print sort of things, so they took like 2 or 3 weeks to ship out, or 2 to 4 weeks to ship out in the end. But I wasn't really bothered about the timing because, you know, you were going to receive it in the end anyway. So that is a really cool bag that it comes in. Nice little tote bag actually that says FaZe on it. If I can turn it around, there you go. I think that's pretty cool. That's a different way to send something to someone in the end. And then on the inside, got a couple of stickers from them, which again, that's cool. I like stickers, so yeah. And then we have my order, nice, being the FaZe tee, which, yeah, let's just get it out because it's for the personal, so. There you go. Yeah, it's really cool. I like it, so. Yeah, I'm happy with that. There's the first piece unboxed in the end. So next we're going to move over to here, which this is, well, sorry for the sound. I mainly bought this because of the pure fact that in the UK from like 2 weeks time, I think, or like 10 days time ish, there is going to be a ruling where you can be fined if you're not wearing a mask in a supermarket. So with everything that's going on, I picked one of these up because it was, well, everyone was basically buying them in the end, and it was £12, and they're reusable, rewashable. So it's the Adidas face masks. And yeah, so yeah, I picked them up in the end because they were literally 12 or 13 pounds, and overall I just need one in the end. So yeah, I mean, I've got a couple already, but yeah, this is a lot more comfortable than any of the others that I have or have been given so far. And obviously it says wash, dry, reuse on the inside, so that's useful. And yeah, I'm sure a lot of people bought them in the end because they sold out like within the day that they were released, and they restocked them and they sold out again. And I don't know whether they're still in stock now or not, but yeah, they kept selling out basically. So the next piece is going to be a piece from Palace, which I copped a couple of weeks ago now. If I can open it safely, that is, would be great. But yeah, this was from their JCDC collaboration, I believe. I'll throw up my clip of like a live cop or something. I didn't upload it in the end, obviously, but yeah, I copped it, obviously, at the end of the day. This would have been a live cop, but it's not, because I'm obviously doing a live co-op, but it's not going to go out as that for quite a while probably. But yeah, I'm going for the JD JC or JC JD bucket hat, and that's about it. So we'll see how it goes. Just take me straight through. I love to see this. Right, check out. Should be a W, nice and quick. That is probably the fastest I've got through Palace ever. That is a 40-second checkout. I'll take that. Oh well, cheers for watching, if I use this at all. But yeah, see ya. So, sticker, form, and the bucket hat. Yeah, that is really cool. The colour, the vibrancy, the everything, that is actually so nice. So yeah, I think it's going for about £90 or £85 at the moment, but I might hold on to it for another couple of weeks, then sell it, or I don't really know at the end of the day, but I just thought it was a nice colour and a lot of people were going for them, so I thought I might as well give it a shot as well and go for it. And yeah, I obviously got it in the end. So next up, this is going to be something that I saw on Facebook. Basically, it's probably a waste at the end of the day, but at the same time, I think it's just a cool thing to get. So basically, there have recently been people who have been working on like books and things to release like things to do with Supreme and other brands to show off their past releases of stickers or different things like that. And yeah, this was one of them. So it's obviously not by Supreme, it's not like any of the books that they released or anything, but it's just by a person. And if I take it out, yeah, obviously you can look things up online for things like this. You could Google it or whatever and find, you know, whatever you want to find about it online. But personally, I just thought it'd be cool to have this and then at some point get the 2 Supreme books that they've released. There's also a book coming out tonight, I think, or tomorrow or something, by Max Merch to do with Palace, like Palace history of things. So I'm gonna buy that as well because I think it's just a cool little thing to have. And when they're done by other people, I think it's just a cool little like concept to see people's like effort and the work they put in for something that they appreciate. So he's got a couple of his stickers. Obviously, a lot of stickers they throw in with it, but let's get the paper out of the way. So, there you go. Nick's Sticker Archive, Volume 1 Box Logo Stickers, First Edition. I think that there are like 300 of them or so, because my number's 198. On the stickers, it's got 198. So, yeah, I'm expecting that I'm like 198 of 300 or something, or however many were released. But yeah, if I just open it up, yeah, it's cool. Give it a flick through quickly just to see when it goes up to. So it goes all the way up to 2015, and yeah, checklist for your collection as well he's got at the back, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, I thought it was cool. I thought it was just a cool little like concept in the end, and that's why I bought it. I just thought it was a nice little thing, and yeah, that is that. So next, an actual Supreme piece for this like streetwear unboxing that's been a little bit over the place, because I'm a little bit over the place at the moment, but yeah. So this is going to be a, oh, I've ripped the bag. This is going to be a restock piece that I picked up. So basically, what has gone on with this bag? Isn't that handy that it's like taped? I'm gonna have to rip it anyway. So this is a restock piece that I picked up about like 2:30 or 3:30 p.m. It was from the Boonie week, and yeah, it was restocking, then I finally hit one. I wasn't recording for my reaction. I had my software up and everything, but I just wasn't recording because I wasn't expecting to hit a restock. And then I did hit a restock, and I was like, ah, great. I don't have the recording of it. So this is obviously going to be the Flags Boonie with a torn bag, which is great, but we can actually get it out and take a look at it because of that. There's so much tape and everything in here. But yeah, there it is. That's pretty cool. I'll agree to that being pretty cool. You've got then the Supreme embroidery, all of the patches on there, and yeah, I'm happy with that at the end of the day. It's a cool little piece to pick up. People said this was not going to be released in the end because it was for like the Olympics, but I don't know. Maybe they'll do something special next year for that. But yeah, then you've got the tag on the inside. It's small, medium, XL or large XL or medium large is the better sizing in this. But at the end of the day, it's a restock piece that I hit. I'm not going to be complaining about it. So yeah. Do I get any stickers or anything? Oh, they're treating me. 2 box logo stickers. I've literally got 0 stickers really in the end from this season. I only have a couple of stickers from things, and yeah, they're not going to add to it. So hopefully when I unbox the next couple of things, I actually get some stickers with my pieces. So this piece is going to be the brick of this streetwear unboxing, purely because of the fact that, well, it's a brick. I bought it because the stock was meant to be like 2,300 or so, I believe it was, and personally I thought it was just a cool tee to have been released. It's by Kith, and yeah, I ordered it 5 weeks ago, so you can tell how long it's taken to get here because it only got here the other day. And basically it was going for like £160 and now it's going for like £70, so it's sort of crashed, but I'm not going to complain because I might end up keeping it to wear, but I don't know. Anyway, also there's a video coming out tomorrow to do with Kith, which I hope people enjoy because it's painful. So once I can open this up, we've got order letter, which I will just get out of the way. So now that we've got this open, we can take the tee out. Yeah, that looks cool. I wish that the bag was like a resealable one because personally I don't really want to be getting this out, but this is the Fix the System tee. Just move this box. This is the Fix the System tee, the Kith Fix this. I can't speak. This is the Kith Fix the System tee. This is the tee with the big graphic on the back that says Fix the System, and yeah, there was a black colourway, there was a white colourway. I thought the white colourway looked better because people, like, I just think wearing like a white tee with the black graphic on it looks better, but I also think at the same time, when it comes to more cold-ish weather, that wearing a black colourway with the white font just might look better, because personally I just think it does in that way. But yeah, I've gone for the white colourway in the end, or I picked the white colourway up, and yeah, that's just how their little like box logo type thing looks for Kith. But obviously I can throw up a picture of what the back graphic looks like in the end. But yeah, I'm just going to be holding on to it because it obviously has bricked because of people just selling it, so it happens at the end of the day. But yeah, so that is pretty much going to cover this video. I've been a little bit all over the place, I will be honest, so I apologise for that. I've been a bit not here, I'd say is the way to phrase it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. As per normal, let me know what you picked up like recently down below. Other than that, I'm going to be picking up or trying to pick up a couple of things tonight that are releasing, because there are a couple releasing. I was expecting another package to arrive to unbox with this, but unfortunately it just hasn't arrived, so yeah, that happens. But yeah, that is going to cover this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, like, much appreciated. Other than that, I will see you all next time, which will probably be for 2 videos tomorrow in the end. So yeah, I'm going to try and pump them out, I guess, in the end. So yeah, I'll see you all next time. Peace.